Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video I'm going to show you how to get an anime style filter on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your Instagram application first and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, from your home screen go to the profile button in the bottom right corner and then tap on the plus button at the upper right corner to get an anime style filter on Instagram. Tap on the story and from your camera screen go to the anime girl filter available right here. Let me show you by swiping my front camera and there you go. If you don't find the filter right here, what you can do is go to browse effects and tap it on from the effect gallery. Tap on the search button at the upper right. Search for anime filter and tap on try it and you'll be able to find the filter from this page. That is how you can easily find the anime filter on your Instagram and use it as your story. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.